the Crane Truck and Friends show. The Great Playground Build. It's a brand new day in Vehiclesville, and excitement is in the air. As flowers swayed in the breeze and townsfolk vehicles rolled by with smiles, a big new adventure was about to begin. At the edge of town, the team arrived ready to turn a field into something magical.
Sem, we need your help to build a playground for the children of Vehiclesville.
You can count on me, Mayor Carver. Let's build something amazing.
With smiles and teamwork, the playground project was off to a great start.
Okay, team, let's build this playground together.
Supplies delivered at lightning speed.
Don't forget to hydrate, friends.
By midday, the playground was taking shape. The sounds of building mixed with laughter and teamwork.
Steady now, them perfect placement makes perfect play.
Safety first, every bolt tight. A splash of color makes everything pop.
A dream was becoming real. The big day had arrived. The playground was ready.
With gratitude and joy, I declare this playground open.
We did it, team.
Together, they didn't just build a playground. They built memories that would last forever. Thanks for watching. See you next time.